A well-designed home is more than just a collection of rooms. It's a symphony of spaces that work together in harmony. One of the first things to consider is room placement. Think about how you want your home to feel. Bedrooms and bathrooms are sanctuaries for rest and rejuvenation. Tuck these private spaces away from the hustle and bustle of the main living areas. Place them toward the back of the house or on upper floors for maximum tranquility. This creates a sense of peace and privacy. On the other hand, kitchens and living rooms are the heart of the home. These spaces should be centrally located. An open-plan concept that connects the kitchen, dining, and living areas is perfect for families who love to spend time together. This encourages interaction and creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Remember, the goal is to create a natural flow between spaces. This makes your home feel larger and more inviting. Thoughtful room placement can truly transform the way you live and experience your home. Choosing the right furniture is crucial. It can make or break a room's functionality and aesthetics. Start by considering the size of each room. A large sectional sofa might look out of place in a small living room. Conversely, a tiny dining table would be dwarfed in a grand dining space. Measure your spaces carefully. Take your time browsing furniture stores or online catalogs. Look for pieces that fit comfortably within the room's dimensions. Don't forget about traffic flow. Leave enough space to move around furniture easily. Furniture should not only fit the space, but also reflect your personal style. Do you prefer clean lines and minimalist designs or cozy and traditional pieces? Choose furniture that speaks to your aesthetic and creates the atmosphere you desire. The exterior of your home is the first impression. It sets the stage for what awaits inside. Your exterior design should complement the architectural style of your home. Consider the materials, colors, and landscaping. Modern homes often feature clean lines, geometric shapes, and materials like glass, steel, and concrete. This creates a sleek and contemporary look. Traditional homes, on the other hand, might incorporate brick, stone, or wood siding for a classic and timeless appeal. Remember, exterior design is about more than just looks. Large windows can flood your home with natural light. This creates a bright and cheerful ambience. A well-designed outdoor living space can extend your living area and provide a connection to nature. Section 4. A home for everyone. Designing for accessibility. Accessibility should be a top priority in home design. A truly comfortable home is one that can be enjoyed by everyone. Consider the needs of all potential occupants, including elderly family members or those with mobility challenges. Well-organized corridors and doorways are essential for easy navigation. Ensure doorways are wide enough to accommodate wheelchairs or walkers. Consider installing ramps instead of stairs where possible. Non-slip flooring and grab bars in bathrooms are also crucial for safety. Thoughtful design can greatly enhance the quality of life for everyone in the home. It promotes independence and makes daily tasks easier and safer for all. Section 5. Peace and quiet. The power of sound insulation. Sound insulation is often overlooked but incredibly important. A peaceful home environment can reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Consider incorporating sound-absorbing materials during the construction or renovation process. Insulation in walls, floors, and ceilings can significantly reduce noise transfer between rooms. Double-paned windows are also effective at blocking out external noise. Soft furnishings like carpets, rugs, and curtains can also help absorb sound. These additions not only enhance acoustic comfort but also add warmth and style to your home. Section 6. Building for the future. Sustainable and durable materials. The materials you choose for your home have a significant impact on the environment. Sustainable and durable materials are essential for reducing your ecological footprint. Consider using natural materials like bamboo, cork, or reclaimed wood. These materials are renewable, recyclable, and often have lower environmental impacts than conventional options. They also add a unique and natural beauty to your home. While natural materials may require specific care, their durability and timeless appeal make them a worthwhile investment. Section 7. Making it yours. Personalization and home design. Your home should be a reflection of your unique personality and style. Don't be afraid to infuse your personality into every room. Choose colors, textures, and decor that bring you joy. Display cherished family photos and travel mementos, Add pops of color with throw pillows, rugs, and artwork. Incorporate plants to bring life and freshness indoors. Remember, the most important thing is that your home feels like a true sanctuary, a place where you can relax, recharge, and be yourself.